Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Cubing. So in this video we will be learning how to solve the second layer of the Rubik's Cube. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap on the bell notification for future updates. Now you are watching the part 2 video of how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So if you remember, we have solved the complete entire white face with its corresponding sides matched. If you have not seen that video, I'll put a link in the description of that video, so please check it out. Now let's continue. So now what you have to do is to match the center layer, the middle layer. For like you have to put the pieces for these edges. So this, and this. So here the piece which has red and green in it should come. Similarly here green and orange. Here orange and blue. Here blue and red. So how to do that? Let's see. Now hold your cube such a way that the yellow is facing top. Now see any colors in the edge pieces which has no yellow in it. So this has yellow in it, so we can't use this piece. This doesn't have yellow, this we can use. This also doesn't have yellow, this also we can use. And not this we can't use because it has yellow in its piece. So now let's take one of the pieces which don't have yellow in their side. Any of these, this or this. So let's pick this. So this has blue and orange, and orange is in your front side, blue is in your top, blue is at the top, and orange is facing towards you. So match the centers with the orange. So this is orange and this should also be orange. For that, just turn the cube and match it. So orange and orange matched. Now you have to see where the piece should go. So this is orange and blue. What we have here is orange and blue, and here this is orange and green, so the piece will not go here. This is orange and blue, so this piece will go here. So this piece should come here. That you can easily do by doing this. Orange and blue came there, but it completely messed the white side. So we should not do that. So for that we should do what we should do is, so this piece should go towards the right side. For this we have to push the top layer towards the opposite side where it has to go. That's nothing but, so this should go over this side. So we have to, so this should go over this side like this, so towards your right side. So now we have to push this piece over here towards the opposite side of where it has to go. Like, see, the top has blue in it and the blue is towards your right. When orange and orange is matched, the top, and see the top color what you have. So in my case I'm having blue color, and the blue color is, and the blue center is towards your right side. So you have to push this piece towards your opposite side, that's left. So my blue is in my right side and I'm pushing it towards the opposite side, that's left. So after doing that, do this algorithm: right, up, right, prime. Nothing but the algorithm which we learned in our previous video. So when you do that, our one white piece messed up and the white piece is here. Now as we learned in our previous video, that if we get any white pieces like this on the top layer which is at the side, we can fix it by just seeing the colors what it has. So white has blue next to it and orange on top of it. So let's match the blue center with the blue side. So this blue and orange doesn't match, blue and green doesn't match, blue and red doesn't match, blue and blue matches. So just do that by turning the top layer so that the side color matches, and see where the white side is. So white is in our left side. Then do the left algorithm which I learnt in a previous video, that is left prime, up prime and left. See, that fixed our white side as well as our this piece as well, our edge piece. So let's continue. So, and then after that, same, look at the pieces without the yellow color in it on top again. So here I'm having red and blue and red and green. So let's start with red and blue. You can start with any color which doesn't have yellow in it. So match the center first. So red and orange doesn't match. Just turn the two layers at the same time to match it. Just a minute. Yeah. Red and blue. So red and green doesn't match. Red and red matches. So now see the color which is on top. It's blue. So check at the sides. So blue is over left side. Now we should push the piece towards our opposite side, that's right. So in our previous case what we did was the green has to go over here, like in our previous case it has to go towards our right, so we turned it left side. Now it has to go towards our left side, so we will turn this towards right side. Then we will do our algorithm that to take out this piece. So that is nothing but left prime, up prime and left, which you have learned in our previous video. Now similarly you have got this piece, the side piece to fix the white piece. So bring it to the side. Blue and red doesn't match, blue and blue matches. The same thing what we used to do in our last video. So right is in a white color is in our right side, so we have to do is right, up, right prime. See, that fix the white as well, and then the blue and red edge piece is also fixed. Similarly, let's do the other pieces as well. Not this, not this, this. So this has red and green, the piece which doesn't have yellow in it. So match the center with red and green, with red and red to its center. Red and green, red and red matched. So see the color which is on top. I'm having green over here. So see which side the green should go. The green should go towards right side, like this. So what we have to do is push the top layer on the opposite side, that's left. Then take this piece out by using right, up, right prime. Then reinsert the piece as we used to do. So this is towards your left, right, up, right. Sorry. That's left prime, up prime and left. See, that fixed this as well. Similarly, the last piece, that is green and orange. So see where green and orange is. So not this, not this, not this, this. So green and green already matched. If it's like this, just turn the top layer to match it. Green and green matched. Orange has to go to the right side, so we'll push it left. Then our algorithm, which we should do at the right side, that is right, up, right prime. Just push the white piece also towards the right. That's it. Easy to remember. So then do our good old algorithm, that is left. So we have got the white piece in our left. So that is left prime, up prime and left. See, now we have successfully solved the first two layers of the Rubik's Cube. Now if you have a situation like this where the HP is in its right position but twisted, so what you have to do is, see, the other colors have been matched, but this piece is in its right place but not in its correct order. It's in twisted form. So what you have to do for this is just do the algorithm twice. So that is right up, right prime, and then reinsert our white piece, left prime, up prime, and left. See, now you have got the piece on the top side of where we usually do. So see the color which is in your front, that's red. So match the red and red centers with this red and this red center, and then see where our green piece should go. So the green piece should go here. So the green piece should go right side. We will turn this left side and remove our one white piece towards the left as well by doing right up, right prime, and then reinsert our white piece as we usually do. So that's left prime, up prime, and left, and that fixed that situation. And by this you have successfully solved the first two layers, and the white side is still the same. In our next video we will solve the yellow side. So for that you have to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future updates. Thank you. This is Smart Cubing.